The week leading up to and the week of the UNGA is one of the busiest weeks for planning large events.
Radiation above background, West 47th Street, 3rd Avenue, will advise.
The people in New York are the beneficiaries of the fire department services every day. We're proud to be able to bring those services to support the United Nations General Assembly.
Balancing the UN and the entire city definitely poses a challenge, but it's not something that we can't handle. We have resources that are dedicated to this event, so we are prepared. I would say to the people that live, work, and visit New York City, they should feel well protected. Whether it's a visit from the president, the vice president, alarm investigation teams inside of hotels, we have a great relationship with the Secret Service, and it's a pleasure to work with them.